In this video, I say hello from Augsburg Airport. Welcome to a new video together with WeFly. Today, we will take a close look and fly this beautiful DA40 NG, which is currently for sale. We will start off with the flight and then I will show you the interior and the exterior of the aircraft. Just that you know, I will show you the complete checklist that you can see that all systems are working.
You guys should hear me now. So, oil pressure is checked out, PM is 710, circuit breakers are checked. All in, pitot heat is on. Arms are going up, annunciation is off, pitot heat is off, arms are going down, pitot heat off. Avionic master is already on, FMS setup, we will climb maximum 3000, is it, so 2500 initially, and the runway heading is set. Third, autopilot test, we push it, nothing is working, now the trim is working. Do autopilot on. CVS button is working, autopilot disconnect, autopilot is disconnected, go round button, go round, flight director is in climb, flight director off. Autopilot test completed, flight light is not required, position light is already on, flaps full travel. Left, right, light, back to takeoff, moving. And left, right, light. Altimeters 1014, 1014, we have information Juliet. Transponder 7000, temperatures are good, parking brake is next. So we just wait for the QNH and then we go.
QNH 1013 hectopascal. Information, kilo out.
013, 1470, 1500, so this is within the limits. Augsburg Tower, servus again von der Oscar Echo, Delta Hotel Mike, Delta Alpha 40, Abflugpositionen für Lokalflug.
Ausweg für Delta Hotel Mike, Augsburg Tower, Lower Rollen zum Rollhalt Alpha bis 07 über Mike, Kona 1014.
1014 und Mike Alpha 07. Delta Hotel Mike. Taxi light is on and parking brake is released. Right clear, right clear. So what you can see is that, yeah, my head space is a little bit limited, but this is because I'm a tall guy and this aircraft does not have the reclinable seats. So if you're a tall person, you will have a problem in here, but otherwise it's super nice. Oh, now we have this Cessna here in front of us. I'll go a little bit to the side. Exit light is off and parking brake is set. Over to the checklist. Takeoff check. Parking brake is set. Seatbelts are fastened. Adjustable backrest we don't have. Rear door is closed and latched. Front canopy is closed and latched. The warning light is off. Circuit breakers are checked. All in. Electric elevator trim is set for off. Power lever is idle. Engine looks good. And water switch. A, auto, B. That means we are running on system A. Back to auto. And now ECU test. ECU A and B failure on. Cycle number 1. So what you hear beeping is the flam and you see the traffic landing. The flam is working in this aircraft, which is also installed. Cycle 2 and both fail lights are off. ECU test is complete. Pitot heat is as required. Transponder is 7000. This is coming automatically to alt when we take off. Fuel pump and parking brake released and the lights is all on the procedure. Oh, der Oscar Hotel Mike ist nach Landemaschine aufbereit.
Oscar Hotel Mike, verstanden. Oscar Hotel Mike, rollen Sie zum Abflugpunkt 07.
Abflugpunkt 07, Oscar Hotel Mike. Landing, taxi, pump 1, we only have one pump, left side is clear. Run.
Mike, verlassen Sie über Sierra, sind 130 Grad 3 Knoten, Piste 07, startfrei.
Startfrei 07, verlassen wir Sierra, Oscar Hotel Mike. Left side is clear, and we're good. Runway heading is checked, and anti-the panel is checked.
Turn left, taxi.
Takeoff power.
2 next to the covered aircraft.
Copied, left
Takeoff power is set, airspeed is alive.
with the others on the left-hand side.
50 cross-checked.
Frei aufsetzen, durchstarten, Delta Kilo Juliet.
And she's flying. Rotate. Positive right brakes.
Right.
So, it is checked, rising, flaps up. And 92%. Flight level change, speed 88, heading mode is on and autopilot on. So guys, we left Augsburg and we are now inbound to Schloss Neuschwanstein. As you can see, the autopilot is doing a really good job because I'm too stupid to fly. So yeah, first of all, that is working, yeah. What I also want to tell you is that the airplane was always maintained from Diamond Aircraft itself, so it was never in a different maintenance than the Diamond guys themselves, which is a very good sign. And yeah, plane got a new airworthiness review certificate, and the annual was done 2 months ago, freshly 200 inspection, so everything is up to date. I mean, otherwise we couldn't fly. So I told you already the seat that it's not adjustable, but yeah, I'm just a tall person, so for me this would not be the correct airplane. But if you're a little bit taller, smaller, then it would be. It's a nice plane. So the plane has a FLARM, which you saw on the ground. So this box down here is the FLARM system. Then a built-in CO2 monitor, which is actually not. Yeah, you don't need it here actually, because the cabin heating is from the liquid cooling, so you will never have the CO2 fumes here, but okay. On ground we will then also show you the jet shades, which is doing everything a little bit darker, that it's not so bright in here and not getting so hot. What else do I have here on my list? Plane is full IFR. It has a storm scope, very good for IFR flying. The 1,500 hours almost, we talked about that. It has the baggage extension, and so you can put more luggage in there as in the standard compartment. And otherwise, yeah, it is doing its job. I mean, it's a DA40. It is done for fun flying, and this is actually what we are doing now. You like the nice view of one of the most famous castles in the world, to be honest. I think Disney got the inspiration for the castle from Neuschwanstein. Don't kill me if it's wrong, but I think that was it. Back to the aircraft, what I wanted to show you is that both NAVs are working, so NAV 1 and 2. I have now put in Kempten VOR, which is now at 8 o'clock position, so I go to PFD, bearing pointer 1, bearing pointer 2. They are both now showing to Kempten, which is good. If I change the HSI now, if I change the CDI and push course, it is everything in a line. I really don't know if you can see it, but yeah, both NAVs are working, which do the other one as well, so 2 lines. Now this one is green. Okay, this is working. We also have 2 comms, of course. You heard it in the beginning of the video that the ATIS is working, so COM 1 and COM 2 is working. What we also have to say is that in this aircraft the interior for an aircraft which is 12 or 13 years old, it's also in a good shape. Yeah, that's you have to be honest with that. It looks used a bit, but looks still good. The instruments we can compare here: 103 looks good. The standby and artificial horizon in here looking good. Altitude is within the acceptable range. It's 40 feet difference, and the compass 035 looks good. If I turn on the pitot heat, then you also see it. Pitot heat is now on. Yeah, you don't see it because it's a little bit bumpy. Oh, yeah, but pitot is also working. The charts, you saw the charts are working on the MFD, which is cool for an aircraft like this. And of course, what I forgot to tell you is that it's not a Garmin NXI. It's still the legacy Garmin. That you see that the plane is also flying by hand, very good. So I do autopilot off right now, autopilot is off. We check the left side is clear, right side is clear, and then we do a steep right. 60 degrees. So it flies 60 degrees to the left, to the right, and you believe me that it's flying to the right as well, to the left as well? Yes, you believe me. So that's working. A stall warning. I'm honest. I have not flown the 40 so much in the recent times, so I will not show you the stall warning. You will most probably hear it while landing. With that said, let's go back to Augsburg and we do a jump straight into the approach. See you later.
And Oscar Echo Delta Hotel Mike is leaving for Augsburg. Have a nice day, bye.
Same to you, Oscar Hotel Mike. Gute Landung, Squawk VFA.
Squawking VFA. Ciao. Augsburg, hello again, Oscar Echo Delta Hotel Mike.
Oscar Echo Delta Hotel Mike, Augsburg.
Oscar Echo Delta Hotel Mike ist 5 Minuten südlich Sierra zur Landung.
Oscar Hotel Mike, nächste Meldung Sierra 1, Kölner 1013.
Ich meine Sierra 1, 1013. Delta Hotel Mike.
And descent checklist. Land is received. Altimeters are set. Common of FMS is set. Seatbelts are fastened. Adjustable backrest upright. Fuel transfer. So I show you that it's working. Fuel transfer is on. Fuel transfer is now on here. Fuel pump is on, and landing and taxi light is on. Port checklist is completed. Yeah, it's going on and off because it's almost full at the 14 gallons again. So this is why it's going on and off. But you see the fuel transfer pump is working. So we turn it off again. Alright, since autopilot flying is for losers, autopilot off. Flight director off, 2,500 feet set.
Oscar Echo Delta Hotel Mike, Sierra 2800.
Oscar Hotel Mike, dann folgt der Autobahn, nächste Meldung Sierra 2.
Nächste Meldung Sierra 2, Oscar Hotel Mike. Oscar Echo Delta Hotel Mike, Sierra 2300.
Oscar Hotel Mike, fliegen Sie in die Rechtsplatzrunde, Piste 07, nächste Meldung rechter Queranflug.
Nächste Meldung rechts quer 07, Delta Hotel Mike.
We are abeam, landing taxi pump is on, speed is checked, flaps takeoff. So left, right, light, flaps takeoff set. Missed approach altitude 2,500 is set. Speed is checked, flaps landing.
260 Grad 8 Knoten, Piste 07, Landung frei.
Landung frei 07, Oscar Hotel Mike.
So final check. We have flaps landing, pump is on, final is clear, fuel transfer is off. Now intercepting the puppies again. White to red. Speed is looking good. I can still land the DA40. After landing, flaps coming up. That is off, fuel pump is off.
Now, let's take a look at the exterior.
We taxi with less than 10%, that the turbocharger is cooling.
Let me remind you, this aircraft was built in 2012 and has around 1,500 flight hours. So it is no surprise that you will find some paint chips, like here around the spinner. The propeller was installed as new in March 2023. This is why it looks like new. The paint around all three air intakes is chipped off. The oil and the gearbox inspection door is working as it should. Around the nose gear strut fairing we can find some damages in the paint. The design stickers are peeling off a bit around the edges, but they are still the original ones which were delivered 12 years ago. Both leading edges of the wings have some paint chips. Fun fact, all the covers you see you are not getting when you buy a new DA40 right now. Both fuel caps are scratched a bit, but they are working as they should. All lights on the airplane are LED lights. And I checked it, they are working. I was quite surprised when I saw that the walking area had almost no scratches at all. But around the edges of the entrance you can see some scratches. And some stone chips on the horizontal stabilizer. The right wing walking area, almost no scratches at all. A small repair on the right hand winglet and a small scratch under the right hand wing. But the rest of the wing is in perfect condition. The right hand wheel fairing looks a bit used. And here you see the exhaust area. And as I told you before, here you can see the so-called jet shades. And last but not least, the condition of the interior of the airplane.
Yeah guys,
Anflug fortsetzt, nächste Meldung, Querenflug.
I hope you liked that review of this DA40. To the future owner, if you are watching, congratulations, you will get a well-maintained, one of the first DA40 NGs. On my personal resume of this aircraft, of course it got some hours and some years, but if you want an aircraft you want to have fun with, I can totally recommend it to you. The only thing is if you're tall then it's maybe not your aircraft. But everything shorter than 185 is good for you. If you have any questions, of course feel free to contact WeFly. And if you also want a video about your aircraft and you want to sell your aircraft, then be sure to write a comment or contact me or contact WeFly, and then we can find a solution. And then maybe I am sitting in your aircraft and doing this. As always guys, I hope you liked it and see you in the next one.